Good morning students. Last class we discussed exercise 4.1. Today we will discuss, say here, sum of two angles are, sum of two angles. Today's topic angles. Still more angles are there. We will discuss. These are all. See, adjacent linear pair of angles axiom. Linear pair of angles axiom. Some axioms we discuss. Some axioms. Some axioms. Okay, in that first one is linear pair axiom. Already we discussed linear pair axiom. See, sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. We are calling for the two complementary angles. Sum of two angles are 180 degree. We are calling for that supplementary angles. Sum of two angles are 360 degree. We are calling for that conjugate angles. Okay, and after that linear pair angles. Linear pair angles means, see, what is the difference between linear pair and supplementary? Okay, see, already before also came for us. This is AB line, this is OP, and OP is perpendicular to AB, and next here here 120 degrees, here 60 degrees, 120 plus 60 is equal to 180. So these are called supplementary angles. These are called supplementary angles. And what about here? Angle AOP is equal to 90 degree and BOP is equal to 90 degree. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree also supplementary only. 180 degrees also supplementary only. What we are saying means sum of two angles are 180 degree means supplementary angles as well as linear pair. These are linear pair, these are supplementary. Supplementary angles are not at all linear pair. Linear pair angles are supplementary angles. Why here also two angles adding means we are getting 180 degrees. There also 180 degree. What is the difference between linear pair and supplementary angles means here just two angles adding means we are getting 180 degree. Here also two angles adding means 180 degree. But in linear pair angles we want adjacent. Adjacent means common arm, common vertex. Here O is common vertex. Why OA, OP, OB? O is common vertex. And here see angle AOP, angle BOP. OP is common arm. So for here adjacent angles are there. Angle AOP, angle BOP are adjacent angles. So adjacent means those are linear pair angles. And next supplementary means common arm, common vertex not there. Just two angles adding means we are getting 180 degree. And next after that, say do this Page number 76, do this. Do this. We should find complementary, supplementary and conjugate angles of the following. Conjugate angles of the following. For example, 60 degree. For example, first one is 60 degree. For that we should write complement angle, supplementary angle, conjugate angle. Complementary angle of complementary angle of 60 degree is 30 degree. Okay, complementary angle of 60 degree is 30 degree. Why these two adding means we are getting 90 degrees. That's why we told complementary means sum of two angles adding means 90 degree. Supplementary angle of supplementary angle of 60 degree is, see, 120 degree. 120 degree. Why both adding means we are getting 180 degree. And next, conjugate angle of conjugate angle of 60 degree is 300 degree. 300 degree. Okay, conjugate angle of 60 degree is 300 degree. Okay, like that will be here. See, like that only. Any value we should give. Both adding means 90 degree. Those are complementary angles. Both adding means 180 degree. Those are supplementary angles. Both angles adding means 360 degree. Those are conjugate angles. And the next for 25 degree. Next for 25 degree. Okay, 25 degree. For 25 degree, complementary angle of 25 degree. Okay, complementary angle of 25 degree is, see, for this how much we should add? For that how much we should add? Then we will get 90 degree. For example, see, 65 plus 25, 90 degree. 25 degree complementary angle of 25 degree is 65 degree. Like that only supplementary angle of 25 degree is 155 degree. 155 degree. Why both adding means 155 plus 25, 180 degrees. Like that only conjugate angle of 25 degree. Conjugate angle of 25 degree is 45. 245. 235. Why both adding means we want 360 degree. So 35 plus 25, 60 degree, 360 degree. So like that any value you should give, then it is possible to write. And next we are finding for 80 degree. Complementary angle of 80 degree is 10 degree. Why both adding means 90. Next, supplementary angle of 80 degree is 100 degree. 100 degree. Both adding means we are getting 180. Conjugate angle of 80 degree is 200 and see, total 360 we want. So 280 degree. Both adding means we are getting Total 360 degree. Here 90, here 180, here 360 degrees. And next, in this next topic, see what they given here. Which of the pairs of the angles become complementary and supplementary angles? Complementary, supplementary. They given here three diagrams. Here first diagram is 30 degrees. And next they given here 60 degree. Here 60 degree. And next here 120 degree. 120 degree, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 120 degrees. Already we know complementary angle of complementary means we want 90 degree. Supplementary angle means we want 180 degree. Any two angles add, we will get 90 degree. Then complementary angles. 180 degree supplementary angles. See, they given here. This is first diagram. This is second diagram. And this is third diagram. Okay. And now see, first diagram, second diagram add. These two angles adding means 30 degrees plus this diagram 60 degrees. 30 degrees plus 60 degree adding means we are getting 90 degree. 90 degree means complementary. 90 degree means complementary angles. Like that only. Add here second and third. Here what we added? First diagram and second diagram we added. Now we are adding second diagram and third diagram. Second diagram, third diagram. These two adding means we are getting 60 degrees plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree means supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Okay. Supplementary angles. And next, after that, what here saying means they given here few diagrams. For example, OA, OB, OC. OA, OB, OC. This is OA, this is OB, this is OC. Okay. Angles are, this is 1, this is 2, total 3 they given. Total 3. And the second one is one, here 2. What is the difference between this diagram and this diagram? What is the difference between this diagram and this diagram means they are saying here, say in this diagram O is, for example here say O, A, B, P, Q, R. Okay. Here also angle 1, angle 2 only. There also angle 1, angle 2 only. What is the difference between this angles and that angle means? Here OA ray, OB ray, OC ray. OA ray, OB ray, OC ray, O is common point. Common point means common vertex saying. Common point. And here OB is common arm. Why? Angle AOB, angle COB. OB is common arm. OB is common arm. O is a common vertex. Then these are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. And here OA, OB, O is common point only. Here see QP, QR. Here O comma Q are not equal, and also see common arm not there here. Common arm not there. So these are called non-adjacent angles. Non-adjacent angles. Non-adjacent angles. These are adjacent. These are non-adjacent. Say for example here one more ray. This is OD ray. These are adjacent or not? Adjacent only. Adjacent only. Why? Here OB, OC are common arms. O is common point. And next diagram like this is there means so. See 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here O is common. See A, B, C, D, E, F writing means so. OA, OB, OC, OD, OE, OF. O is common vertex. And see here in between OA and OF, OB is common arm. OB is common arm to OA and OC. OC is common arm to OB and OD. So like that common arms, common vertex means those are adjacent angles. Common arm, common vertex not there means those are non-adjacent angles. Non-adjacent angles. After that here see they given here, do this, page number 80. Page number 80, do this they given here. First diagram is A, B. These are what they are saying, classify the given angles as pair of complementary linear pair vertically opposite. They are asking these are given are vertically opposite angles are linear pair angles. Linear pair angles or complementary angles. Complementary angles. Here see first diagram, this is called total straight angle. These two angle adding means 180 degree. So this is called linear pair angle. Linear pair. And the second diagram they given here. A, B. Actually this is a right angle in between, okay, see 50, 40 means 50, 40 like that is the means total adding means 90 degree. So this is called complementary angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angles. Next diagram they given here. A, B. Again 90 degrees only. Both are adding means 90 degrees only. 90 degrees means complementary angle. Complementary angles. And the next. Then here this angle A, B. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay, vertically opposite angles. And next, here we discussed a few problems which are complementary, which are vertically opposite, which are linear pair angles. Next class we will discuss for finding the values. For example, A here giving and B value they are giving. Then we should find A using these angles only. Thank you students. Thank you very much.